Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful online resource for veteran and civilian job seekers called JobNow VetNow, which is provided by BrainFuse. JobNow VetNow provides veterans with access to a live veteran navigator who can assist with navigating through the VA system, as well as provide assistance with creating a resume, job coaching, and test prep. Before you begin, you want to make sure that you have your Kings County Library card available, since you will need your library card to access this online resource. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you want to navigate down to the bottom of the web page to the area labeled Services, and then click where it says Veterans Resources. Once you arrive at our Veterans Resources webpage, you're then going to scroll to the area labeled BrainFuse JobNow and VetNow, and then click on the blue letters which are shown here. At this point, you will need your library card to log into this resource. Before I go more in depth about what type of things are provided through this online resource, I want to say thanks to the California State Library for providing our library system with access to this resource. As you can see here, there's three options to choose from immediately prominent on the screen. There's Live Job Coaching, Resume Lab, and Live Veteran Navigator. With the Live Job Coaching option, when you press Connect, it will open up a box which will connect you with a live job coach. Be aware that this service is available every day from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you contact the live job coach outside of the hours that I just specified, you will then need to submit a question, and you can do that by scrolling down and clicking the area here where it says Send a Question. The second option that's presented here is Resume Lab. With the Resume Lab, this allows you to submit your resume and receive expert feedback on it within 1 business day. Be aware that to use the Resume Lab feature, you'll need to create a free JobNow VetNow account. The last prominently option shown here is the Live Veteran Navigator. Similar to the Live Job Coach, you want to press Connect. When you press the Connect button, you can get access to a Live Veteran Navigator who is a veteran themselves, and they will help you with tutoring, navigating through the VA system, as well as help with the transition from military to civilian jobs. Be aware that the Live Veteran Navigator is available Monday through Friday from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Similar to the Live Job Coach, if you contact the Live Veteran Navigator outside of the hours that I just said, then you will need to click the Send Question button box right there. Other areas of importance on this particular database are tools for job seekers, which includes live resume coaching, interview coaching, unemployment assistance, eParachute, which uses quiz from the expert What Color Is Your Parachute books, job resources, which provides access to resources for jobs both locally as well as nationwide, resume templates and resources, optimal resume, interview tips, interview resources, and career prep and job resources. Specifically for veterans, there's a Send Question area option here, as well as Veterans Resources, which, as you can see, are carefully selected resources to help you understand your benefits and community resources. Outside of the job seeking tools provided from JobNow and VetNow, there's Learn Now, Flashbulb, Brainwave, Leap Learning Platform, and Meet. These resources here provides videos and as well as tests for grades 6 through 12, in addition to high school and elementary school students. So those are some things that you want to definitely check out. in reference to looking for a job or just trying to learn something new. If you have any questions about this particular database, or if you want to speak to one of the library's benefit coaches, you can call the library Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 559-362-7317, or you can email us at kcl.vrc@gmail.com. Thank you and have a good day.